evening, everyone, and thank you for joining us for a ceremonial ribbon cutting of a new office space here in downtown South Bend. Commonwealth is not new to South Bend. This office is new to South Bend, and we really appreciate all the work and partnership that we've had in the past and right now and going forward. Now this partnership can continue with a physical presence right here in the heart of our downtown. So just excited to have you, and thank you for all the work you do for South Bend.
We really appreciate it. We've been here for 6 months and really enjoy our time walking the strip, the ability just to walk out and enjoy the new community here. So really enjoy being here and look forward to the partnership down the road.